Kublai pi baru kini kilongki kubor bam tagasngi. Umentu rangba ke jylla konrad ke sangma ola pensyai ba ke Sorkar Meghalaya kelapen sange ya baru ke jing terwa bethamai ke biya dei ke jing net sharibar hadin ke jing betha jong mentu rangba do keri. Ndai ki hon ke bala debyo jing menjur mensha kenang ya chakmat kat kum ke jing tmu. Habakran syakilat pathai kubor konrad ula ong bagi katu kat ne ke jing len. Sharibar ki berang ya menta kila debyo ye ke jing menjur ha kaliang ke sensyar pat ba kaliang pisan adu bun benai mensyua. Ulo ong ba ka jing pen kre ya kum gini ki jing net ke ju shimpor hadu lai hadu hendriu benai kentup ya ke booking ke jing menjur ya ke jing lut jing sem bar ke jing menjur na ke Sorkar ki biya dei benta. Ulo ong ba kini ki jing net kila dep rung ha garukam trekam bat la pendep ya ki jing pen kre baro shaban mi ke jing pen na jung menjurang ba adu. Kum tala peteng ya ki kat kum ke jing temu balabu henrei ukonrad ula pen pau syai ba hadian ke jing betha na ke Sorkar pedeng om syu bo on pedang ya ginu ginu ke jing terwa thamai ban net sharibar. Ulong ru ba ma uhi ula pen sange ya baro ke jing terwa bethamai ban bod ya ke jing betha bat ban pet ya ke jing mentoi pat ba bat karihi baro kawe. Shushu ulai thu baka Sorkar jylla kalayo hadu nyau hadu prateli ki jing terwa thamai ki biya dei ka jing net sharibar henrei baro kini menta labu no ha ka jing ya am.
Number one, the trips that were cleared politically as well as financially before the Prime Minister's announcement, those programs went through because, as you know, programs take about 3 months, 4 months, sometimes 6 months to prepare. So these are programs that were already there in the pipeline, and hence some of the teams are outside and they have gone because the process was done, the bookings were made, the expenditures were incurred, and as I said, this political clearances were given by center also, and this process happened. So post Prime Minister's announcement, any new proposals that are coming in for any kind of a trip outside are not being entertained. And in fact, I have personally put on hold every single trip outside. And though we have not come out with any notification, but I'm very clear that we have to go as per Prime Minister's direction. And this is in the larger interest, as I said, of the nation. And therefore, we have, as I said, I have stopped all the foreign trips in the past, post Prime Minister's announcement. The ones before that, as I said, have been cleared. So those obviously went through because already the process was already finalized. But after his announcement, any new proposal that has come for any kind of a foreign trip has been put on hold.
Sir, but there are still officers who
That has been prepared for the last 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, way before Honorable Prime Minister has thing. The bookings have been made during that time. The political clearances have been taken from Government of India. The necessary arrangements on the other side to discuss with the governments concerned from there have been taken. So those trips were already cleared before Prime Minister gave that announcement. But after he gave the announcement and he has asked states not to, send delegations, we have not cleared anyone. So I have received about close to 7, 8 new proposals for thing. All of them have been put on hold.
Sir,